One is grumpy, Fore and Ray. And Ray, don't be grumpy, be happy. It's Fore and Ray. It's Fore and Ray.
Hello, viewers. I wanted to see you today. Hello, fellas. Who did that? Was it rare? I think so. Belch. What did you eat out of it? Was it chicken? Cheese? Or broken pizza? I ate a pizza. And another pizza. And another pizza. And another pizza. And another pizza. Maybe a little shake with it. You! That a little shake? Maybe a touch would do it like that. Hey, what? I'm helping you. You really thought that was gonna work? Maybe eating you are stupid. Why? To get it inside. Respect. I'm sorry now. Well, I know what will stop this. Don't be grumpy, be happy. How about even you? How about grape? Actually, maybe what do I do? Well, I'm sorry, Rare. I don't know what to do. Sorry, Webby. Shut up. I'm sorry, Rare.
Okay, I heard you.
Get out. Hey, I just realized it stopped. You are not Belching. I hate this thing. 5 viewers
Care about me? What?
Maybe you don't want to know.